Cardboard Hobby, we are cracking 2024 Topps Heritage Baseball 2-box eBay break July 2nd, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got KEBE_1835 with the Cubs, Royals, Dodgers, Brewers, Pirates, Mets, Giants, Cardinals, Rays, Blue Jays, Braves, Padres, Phillies, Nationals, and your Athletics. Hobby Unlimited with the Astros, Third Millennium Toys with the White Sox, Guardians, Diamondbacks, Rangers, Orioles, Angels, Twins, Tigers, and your Yankees. Ruck D-18 with the Mariners, Jinwin 89 with the Red Sox, and EDLARIMORE with your Reds. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got our 2 boxes. 1, 2. 2024 Topps Heritage Baseball. Box number 1 coming at you guys. Plastic coming up. We got our box topper first. Box topper will be first. Here we go. Box topper. Rookie Outfielders 50th anniversary. Box topper. All right, guys, get our packs out here. We do run through the base cards fairly quickly, guys. Of course, we will stop on all the hits. Empty box. We will stop on all of our hits. If there's anything you want us to go back on, please just holler in the chat, and we'll be happy to do so. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Endy Rodriguez, rookie. Most valuable players. Got a short print. Short prints are numbered 1 to 100 this year. Francisco Mejia for the Rays. Short print there. Valuable players. Andrew Abbott, rookie. Most favorite players. There's a white border. Tommy Edman for the Cardinals. Nice white border there. And a Jordan Adams rookie also. Selby, rookie. We got an Austin Wells rookie. Most valuable players. Jose Tena, rookie. Got a New Age Performers. Justin Steele for your Cubbies. Valuable players. There's a short print for the Rays. Nice Isaac Paredes there. And a Jackson Wolf rookie also. Felipe rookie. We got a Reese Olson rookie there. Batting leaders. Ornelas rookie. Ornelas rookie there. We got a then and now. Morgan and Acuna. Arizona World Series. We got a Trulio rookie there. AL Champ Rangers there. And short print for the Orioles. Felix Bautista. Short print there. And a Gray Kessinger rookie also. Furman rookie. We got a Luciano rookie. Garcia rookie. And a most valuable players. Horwitz rookie. New Age Performers. Manny Machado. Nice Machado there. New Age Performers. Marte rookie. Got another short print. For the Padres, Kyle Higashioka. Short print there. Oh, we got a Hernandez rookie. Chenille rookie. And how about it? John Montefusco. Auto. Very nice. Very nice hit there. On-card auto there, too. Wilyer Abreu rookie there also. Nice hit for the Giants there. Nice auto there. Very nice hit for the Giants. Nice Montefusco there. That's a really nice auto. Very nice auto there. Really nice hit. Congrats to the Giants. Very nice hit. Very nice. We got a Mauricio rookie, Caminero rookie, Ciccone rookie, Ellie De La Cruz rookie for the Reds. Very nice. Flashbacks there. Nice Ellie rookie. Bryce Jarvis rookie. Got a short print. Rangers. Chris Stratton. Short print there. Weston Wilson rookie. There's a Chrome. Rooshman Chrome. 10 out of 375. Nice silver Chrome Rooshman there. Orioles. And a white border on the Julian there. Eduardo Julian there. For the Twins. A white border. Very nice. Nice Chrome Rooshman there. Silver. Very nice. Nice Rooshman. We got a Uribe rookie. Most valuable players. New age performers. Adley Rooshman. Couple nice Rooshmans. Westberg rookie. We got an Emmett Sheehan rookie. Got a short print there for your Angels. Brandon Drury short print. Ferrier rookie there. World Series Rangers. Trey Cabbage rookie. Forrest Wall rookie. Flashback there and a most valuable players. Earned run average leaders. We got a Canzone rookie. There's another Rooshman there. Short print. Nationals. Kyle Finnegan. Short print there. Samad Taylor rookie. Martinez rookie. Rafaela rookie. We got a Smith Shaver rookie. New Age Performers, Clayton Kershaw. Nice Kershaw there. New Age Performers. Mason Wynn rookie. Got a short print for the Rockies. Brendan Rodgers. Nice Brendan Rodgers short print and a Henry Davis rookie. We got 2 packs left, guys, out of box number 1. 2 packs left. Jordan Wicks rookie. All right, guys, last pack. Here we go. Box number 1. Nick Gonzalez rookie. We got a Paris rookie. That one might be a flip stock there. The Trey Turner. That might be a flip stock. They're kind of hard to tell on the flip stocks. I think that might be one, though. We got a flashbacks there as well, and a Colton Cowser rookie. Sure feels like a flip stock there, guys. Sure does. Okay, guys, box number 2. Plastic coming off. All right, guys, box topper first. And the Red Sox. Nice Fred Lynn box topper there. Nice Fred Lynn there. Box topper. Very nice. Let's get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 2, pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Hey, Juan Pablo Martinez rookie short print for the Giants. Alex Cobb short print. Very nice, Alex Cobb. We got a Colway rookie there. Victory leaders. White border. Hagen Danner rookie. Blue Jays. Nice white border there. Johan Rojas rookie there as well. Nice white border. We got a Remillard rookie. Nick Lofton rookie. Alan Winans rookie. We got a New Age Performers. Freddie Freeman there for the Dodgers. Nice Freddie Freeman. Pereira rookie, most valuable players. Myers rookie. Got a Chenille rookie. Nice highlights. Ohtani there. And a Devin Sweet. Nice highlights, Ohtani. Alex Jacob rookie. Alex Jacob. Ellie De La Cruz rookie. Another De La Cruz rookie there. Very nice here for the Reds. Bryce Harper, New Age Performers there also. Leahy rookie. We got a Curtis Mead rookie. Crow Armstrong rookie. Short print for the Cardinals. Jordan L. Walker. Short print. Priester rookie, most valuable players, and a David Hamilton rookie. Valencia rookie, World Series Rangers, short print for the Orioles, Austin Hayes. Nice Austin Hayes short print there. Ramsey rookie, World Series Rangers. Gavin Williams rookie, most valuable players, flashbacks as well there. Jacob Young rookie. Most valuable players. Leading firemen there. We got a Wasabi rookie there. Marlowe rookie. Flashbacks. And a stolen base leaders. Ohtani. Reese Olson rookie short print for the Padres. Campusano. And a Wade Meckler rookie there also. Most valuable players. Montez rookie, home run leaders. We got a short print for the Reds. Stuart Fairchild. Short print there for the Reds. Still have our hit to come. Horwitz rookie. Batting leaders. And a Gavin Lux white border there. Nice Gavin Lux white border. Hernandez rookie. Trillo rookie there. Austin Riley, New Age Performers. Nice Austin Riley there. Very nice. Owen White rookie. Estes rookie there also. Carson Strand rookie, most valuable players. We got a Hancock rookie there. A Brian Wu rookie, New Age Performers. Gunnar Henderson, nice Gunnar Henderson there. Ryder Ryan rookie also. Alika Williams rookie. Spees rookie. We got a Jerstad rookie. Evan Carter, rookie, most valuable players, and a short print for the Pirates, Bailey Falter. And we may have our hit in here, guys. Most valuable players. And we do have our hit coming up here. We have a White Sox, Dylan Cease, relic. For the White Sox. Very nice hit for the White Sox there. Dylan Cease. Very nice hit. Nice relic there. For your White Sox. Mauricio rookie. Caminero rookie. AL champs there. Rangers. Short print for the Nationals, Dominic Smith, and a Lawrence Butler rookie also. Most valuable players, we got a Ciccone rookie, Garcia rookie. 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. Jason Dominguez rookie. Nice Dominguez rookie there. Then and now, Seaver and Strider, and a Parker Meadows rookie. All right, here we go. Last pack. Last pack. Here we go. Jacob Lopez rookie. Jordan Lawlar rookie. We got a Noelvi Marte rookie. Palmer, Blake Snell, then and now. And let's run back through our hits here, guys. We had your relic for the White Sox, Dylan Cease. Very nice Dylan Cease relic there for your White Sox. Nice Adley Rutschman Silver Chrome, 10 out of 375 for the Orioles. 10 out of 375 there. Nice Rutschman. And how about this auto for the Giants? John Montefusco. Beautiful auto there for the Giants, too. Really nice hit there. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. Dugan1640 on eBay. We do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We got a fantastic break schedule all holiday week long. I'll be sticking around. We still have 2 website breaks coming up, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it. Please be smart. Be safe out there.